How to add own songs to Spotify. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to open the Spotify app on your desktop and then click on your profile icon, and then you have to just click on the settings option from here. And after clicking on the settings option, you just have to scroll down and look for the option show songs from. So as you can see, you have to just enable downloads, music library, and add a source option, and you can just click on add a source, and you can just select any folder. Like, let me select this folder here, and if you select this folder, you can just added the folder you wanted to keep the songs from. And as you can see on the local files here in this option, you can see there's no songs right now, so you can just go to your folder from here, and we have selected the compressed folder as you remember. So you just have to click on the folder you have your songs, so you can just move or copy your songs from here to the folder you have selected on the Spotify. So let's just copy it on this folder, and we have already selected this folder as a Spotify. So as you can see, after copying the song to that folder, it's already showing the local files, and then you just have to click on plus icon from here and click on playlist, and you have to create a new playlist, and then go to the back to the local files and just drag this file from here to your my playlist option. So as you can see, the song is added successfully to a playlist of yours, and you can just click on play and the song will start to play. Song will just start to play, and you can just check it out with logging into your Spotify account on your smartphone and check if your song is successfully uploaded to your account or not. Then you can share your song to other friends. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.